Hi. Before we go into the course proper of Basic Bookkeeping online course, please allow me a few minutes to briefly introduce myself and welcome everyone enrolled in this course. Welcome everyone, I am glad you are all here. It is both a pleasure and a privilege for me to serve as your coach for the Basic Bookkeeping online course. I am Amelia, your avatar coach representing Ms. Luzviminda Ruero, a certified public accountant, who has served in various capacities in the different industries she joined in her over 40 years or so experience in private practice. In the interest of time, I am not going to outline or go in detail regarding her competencies and experiences, but for those who are interested, you may visit her FB profile Luzviminda Ruero and see some of the highlights of her work experiences and the titles or designations she has handled in her long years in private practice as an accountant. This class is a conglomeration of different people coming from different places and stages in life, some very young and the others no longer young, like myself, although I am still young at heart. As they say, age is just a number, and I cannot quite disagree. When you reach my age, you would know that the feeling really never change, only your physical appearance does. For those who are taking this course at a young age, know that you are never wrong in choosing this as your beginner's course. And if you are a late bloomer, know also that it is not too late. If you are eager to learn, this is also for you. So, whether you are a beginner or just leveling up, this course is for everyone who is eager to learn more as they go through life. Again, welcome everyone. I hope and pray that I will be able to impart to you the learnings and expertise Ms. Ruero has gathered in the area of her accountancy practice. If you have questions or clarifications, please don't hesitate to email Ms. Ruero as she will be more than glad to answer or reply as best as she could. The following is the course outline for the online Basic Bookkeeping course. 1. Introduction. 2. Entry system. 3. Accounting cycle. 4. Chart of accounts. 5. Books of accounts. 6. Balance sheet. 7. Income statement. 8. Statement of changes in stockholders' equity. 9. Taxes. 10. Bank reconciliation. 11. Adjusting entries. 12. Sample exercises. This episode comprises Part 1 or the Introduction of Basic Bookkeeping online course. For the introduction, we shall learn what finance is, and its differences from accounting. To better understand the difference between finance and accounting, it is good to start by defining each of the terms as follows. Finance is defined as the management of money and includes activities such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, and forecasting. There are three main types of finance, namely, 1. Personal. 2. Corporate. 3. Public or government. What is personal finance? Personal finance is a term that covers managing your money as well as saving and investing. It encompasses budgeting, banking, insurance, mortgages, investments, retirement planning, and tax and estate planning. What is corporate finance? Corporate finance is the division of finance that deals with how corporations deal with funding sources, capital structuring, and investment decisions. Corporate finance is primarily concerned with maximizing shareholder value through long and short-term financial planning and the implementation of various strategies. Corporate finance activities range from capital investment decisions to investment banking. What is public finance? Public finance can be defined as the study of government activities, which may include spending, deficits and taxation. The goals of public finance are to recognize when, how and why the government should intervene in the current economy, and also understand the possible outcomes of making changes in the market. In addition, public finance can involve issues outside of the economy, including accounting, law and public finance management. What is accounting? Accounting is defined as the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money, transactions and events which are, in part at least, of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Accounting is also defined as the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. Bear in mind that accounting involves the following activities: 1. Recording. 2. Classifying. 3. Summarizing. 4. Interpreting. Take note also that the activity of summarizing is comprised of the following: 1. It is in terms of money. 2. Transactions, and 3. Events. Please note also that all of the above three components of summarizing activities should be, in part at least, of financial character. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is defined as the recording of financial transactions, and is part of the process of accounting in business. Bookkeeping is any process for recording financial transactions. The following are the transactions in the recording or bookkeeping process. 1. Purchases of goods and services. 2. Sale of goods and services. 3. Receipts, which may be through cash, checks, bank deposits. 4. Payments, which may be through cash, checks or bank deposits. What are the basic differences between accounting and finance? The basic difference between finance and accounting is that accounting focuses on the day-to-day flow of money in and out of a company or institution, whereas finance is a broader term for the management of assets and liabilities and the planning of future growth. It's often said that accounting looks back to a company's past financial transactions, whereas finance, for example, looks forward to plan future acquisition of assets.